we will set a minimum and maximum. And let's see. Another built-in validation we can use is to assign a minimum or maximum value for a number field. Input with the type number and input with the type range. To set a minimum acceptable value, we use the min attribute and assign a value. On the flip side, to set an acceptable value, we assign the max attribute a value. Let's see this in code. And here is our example code. Form element, label our input field with the type number. We have the ID name, which is not important right now, and we have the minimum attribute, and we have the maximum attribute, and we have the submit button, the submit input element. Let's see. If a user tries to submit an input that is less than 1, a warning will appear. Or like here, you see, value must be greater than or equal to 1, because the min attribute is set to 1. A similar message will appear if a user tries to input a number greater than 4. Let's see this in action. Time to enforce the rules of the guessing game. In the opening input tag, let's find our input. It's right here. Set the min to 1 and max to 10. Let's click run, so we refresh our page. And now let's go there and let's type 0, submit. No, because our min attribute is set to 1, that's why we cannot enter any number smaller than 1. If you type 11, value must be less than or equal to 10, because our max attribute is set to 10. But if we type some number between the 1 and 10, let's type 5 and submit the form, everything works just fine. Okay, this should be all for this exercise. Let's proceed to the next one.